This tomato salad is perfect. Amy and Emily Chung, thank you. It's a Burmese tomato salad, and it belongs in the pantheon of the world's best tomato salads. The salad has some common ingredients. Tomatoes, we use 2 types, has a chili sliced up, fish sauce, lime juice, some nice roasted crunchy peanuts, cilantro. But really, what takes this salad from good to absolutely phenomenal is 1 ingredient and 2 key steps. The 2 key steps both have to do with the shallots. So we divide the shallots in half and we give them the spa hot cold treatment. Half get a cold plunge. What this does is tighten up the walls of the shallots so they get a little firmer, a little crispier, but it also mellows the flavor. Frying the shallots creates an addictive, crunchy topping for the salad. It also makes beautiful floral shallot oil, which we don't use in this recipe, but I recommend you save. The key ingredient is chickpea flour. We toast it and we sprinkle it on the salad near the end. It adds this nutty savoriness. It's sort of something you can't identify, but you also can't get enough of. One other thing I recommend is that when you toast the chickpea flour, toast extra, because socca or chickpea flour flatbreads are wonderful, and they are really taken up a notch when you use toasted chickpea flour. To finish the salad, we're really just mixing things in a bowl. So directly in your serving bowl, put in both types of tomatoes, the chilies, the peanuts, the chickpea flour, and a little chili flake. It's nice to have 2 types of heat. Then return to the spot. Get your chili shallots out of their ice plunge, shake them off, get rid of all that excess water, add them to the bowl along with fish sauce, cilantro, lime zest, and lime juice, and a little bit of salt if you need it. You'll notice that we added no additional fat to the salad dressing. And that's the magic of this toasted chickpea flour, is it melds with that lime juice and fish sauce to create a creaminess without adding extra oil. You wanna finish with your crispy shallots for that nice crunch, and you're done. So 1 key ingredient, toasted chickpea flour, and a spa treatment for your shallots, and you have got one of the world's best tomato salads.